Did you know that just 30 minutes of exercise a day can boost your mood and energy levels significantly? It's a simple way to start feeling like your own health hero. Taking care of our health is one of the most important investments we can make in our lives. By being proactive about our well-being, we can improve our overall quality of life and achieve our goals. Health and empowerment go hand in hand, and it's time we take control of our own health journey. Being healthy is not just about physical well-being, it's also about mental and emotional well-being. When we feel good physically, we're more likely to feel good mentally and emotionally as well. This is why it's so important to make healthy choices and prioritize our self-care. By doing so, we can become the best version of ourselves and live a happy, fulfilling life. Our health is our greatest asset, and it's up to us to protect and nurture it. By the way, do you like coffee? And would you like to improve your metabolism? If so, click the link below and watch the video to see how easily you can enjoy the benefits of both. Anyway, back to the video. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in our busy lives and neglect our health. We often prioritize work, social media, and other obligations over our own well-being. However, this can lead to burnout, stress, and a host of other health problems. By making our health a priority, we can avoid these issues and live a more balanced, healthy life. It's time to take charge of our health and become our own health heroes. To start this journey, we need to make a conscious decision to prioritize our health. This means setting aside time each day for self-care, whether it's exercise, meditation, or simply taking a relaxing bath. It also means making healthy food choices and getting enough sleep. By taking these small steps, we can start to feel the benefits of good health and become more empowered to take control of our lives. I'll never forget the time I tried to start a new exercise routine and ended up hurting my back. I was so determined to get in shape that I overdid it and paid the price. It was a funny moment, looking back, but at the time it was frustrating and painful. I had to learn to listen to my body and start slowly, rather than trying to do too much too soon. This experience taught me the importance of patience and self-care when it comes to our health. I've also had my fair share of struggles with healthy eating. I love food, and it's easy to get carried away with unhealthy snacks and meals. However, I've learned that by planning my meals and snacks in advance, I can stay on track and make healthier choices. It's all about finding a balance and being mindful of what we put into our bodies. By doing so, we can maintain a healthy weight, boost our energy levels, and feel our best. One of the most challenging aspects of healthy living is staying motivated. It's easy to get excited about a new diet or exercise routine, but it's harder to stick with it in the long term. I've found that by setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories, I can stay motivated and focused on my health journey. Whether it's taking a daily walk or cooking a healthy meal, every small step counts, and it's these small steps that add up to make a big difference. By sharing my own health struggles and successes, I hope to inspire and motivate you to take control of your own health. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. We don't have to be perfect, we just have to be better than we were yesterday. By taking small steps towards healthy living, we can become our own health heroes and live a happier, healthier life. One of the most effective ways to boost our mood and energy levels is through exercise. Whether it's a brisk walk, a run, or a workout, exercise has the power to transform our bodies and minds. By incorporating physical activity into our daily routine, we can improve our overall health and well-being. It's also important to listen to our bodies and rest when we need to, as overexertion can be counterproductive. In addition to exercise, healthy eating is crucial for our overall health. By fueling our bodies with nutritious foods, we can maintain a healthy weight, boost our energy levels, and support our mental health. It's all about finding a balance and being mindful of what we put into our bodies. By doing so, we can reduce our risk of chronic diseases and live a longer, healthier life. Meal prepping is another great way to stay on track with our health goals. By planning and preparing our meals in advance, we can avoid unhealthy snacks and meals, and stay focused on our goals. It's also a great way to save time and money, as we can buy ingredients in bulk and cook meals that can be reheated throughout the week. Staying hydrated is also essential for our health. By drinking plenty of water throughout the day, we can boost our energy levels, support our digestive health, and even improve our skin. It's simple, yet effective, and it's something that we can all incorporate into our daily routine. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for our health. By aiming for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, we can improve our mood, boost our energy levels, and support our physical health. It's also important to establish a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book or taking a warm bath, to help us wind down and prepare for sleep. Mindfulness and meditation are also powerful tools for our health. By taking a few minutes each day to focus on our breath and calm our minds, we can reduce stress and anxiety, and improve our overall well-being. It's a simple yet effective way to take care of our mental health, and it's something that we can all incorporate into our daily routine. By incorporating these healthy habits into our daily routine, we can become our own health heroes and live a happier, healthier life. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection, and every small step counts. Whether it's taking a daily walk, cooking a healthy meal, or practicing mindfulness, every small step adds up to make a big difference. I'd love to hear about your health journey in the comments below. What challenges have you faced, and how have you overcome them? What healthy habits have you incorporated into your daily routine, and how have they impacted your life? One of the most surprising moments in my health journey was when I discovered the benefits of appreciating the gift of life. I had always thought of life as just something to deal with or get through somehow, but it's so much more than that. If you view it as a privilege, not a right, then you can become grateful for the things that you can achieve and find joy in life, and improve your overall well-being. I was surprised by how much it improved my appreciation for other people too, and how it reduced my stress and anxiety. I've also been surprised by the benefits of healthy eating. I used to think that healthy food was boring and tasteless, but that's not true. There are so many delicious and nutritious foods out there, and by incorporating them into our diet, we can improve our overall health and well-being. I've been surprised by how much energy I have, how clear my skin is, and how good I feel when I eat healthy foods. I've learned that becoming a health hero is not just about physical health, but also about mental and emotional well-being. It's about taking care of our whole self, and making healthy choices that support our overall health. By doing so, we can live a happier, healthier life, and become the best version of ourselves. As I look back on my health journey, I'm reminded of the importance of community and support. Surrounding ourselves with people who support and encourage us can make all the difference in our health journey. Whether it's a friend, family member, or healthcare professional, having a support system can help us stay motivated and focused on our goals. By the way, did you know that apparently, scientists have just revealed the true root cause of dark spots and fine wrinkles? It's a very common gut issue that 98% of women have to deal with. Luckily, there is a quick and simple solution for it. Click the link in the description and watch the short video to find out all about it. Anyway, in the end, becoming a health hero is a journey, not a destination. It's about taking small steps towards healthy living, and being patient and kind to ourselves along the way. By doing so, we can improve our overall health and well-being, and live a happier, healthier life. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content, and comment below with your own health journey. I'd love to hear from you and support you on your path to becoming a health hero. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're looking for more health tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got a great video on healthy meal prep ideas that you might find helpful. Remember, becoming a health hero is all about taking small steps towards healthy living. By making healthy choices and being mindful of our overall well-being, we can improve our health and live a happier, healthier life. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to hearing about your own health hero story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I've got a lot of great content coming up, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.